Ka jinga kan ad hapadengki penar bat ki karbi hakathain lapangap tapat kadang thnamjur bat kawan ra ek jing mamsngai wat ek jingri jingdum hakate ka jaka khapun lakno bagi kattu kan ki jaj bin riu karbi kelas dang ban permensaw wat ek masi bari ki penar halapangam dak batar yaki de ki tari banam bat beru ek masi bashara shakilum ki wa shakalyang bashong ki karbi wahesh nong kalapangam uma demon melingdo haba pentip iya kan ke jingjia ulet hu bahak arfu pratrik nailar kat bagi kena nakasnong lapangam kidang penbam plang ki masi halum penthor lawan shiken hun kinong karbi ki bala be jubor ya we masi shakalyang kasnong tapan ulo ong ru baya ki weipat ki masi kini kinong karbi kila tarbat ruit dusman dakatari ki masi hadu banda mansa halor kani ka jingle jungki karbi ulo ong bana kalyang kasnong lapangam kaladap ban pentip syaki bor penyat district jongka West Giant Hills badru kaladap benyakran bat kibor penyat snong jungki karbi kenang ban penpai ya utai masi bagi karbi kilaban Henry hadu manta ki klem penpai satya uni umasi basyak bat hagi karbi ladai try da umakar chom siang syai.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.